Hello all, my name is Kevin Johnson and I'm an intern at Spark Foundation for Data Science and Business Analytics, and I'll be explaining my first task, that is prediction using the supervised machine learning model. So basically in this we have a data set which has two columns. One is the number of hours of people have studied and the percentage they have received. So first step we take is import all the specific required libraries, that is PyArray, pandas for creating data frames and doing some basic data analysis, and matplotlib for data visualization, and sklearn for creating the model. And we have also imported the metrics to evaluate output. So first we go on take the data from an online source. So there is a URL for the data. So I have put this URL in the data frame using the pd.read_spacing function. So this helps creating a data frame. So as you can see, I have used the head method to look at the first 15 entries of the data frame. So as you can see, there is the hours column and the scores column. Then moving on, I have done some basic data exploration. So the first step I have taken is we have to check the shape. So the shape is basically the number of rows and columns in the data set. And next, I have checked the information using the info method. So basically what this says that in the hours column, it has 25 non-null entry. That means there is no null entries in this, and data type is float. And in the scores column, it also has 25 entries, and it is also non-null. It's an integer data type. Then moving on, I have checked the summary of the data set by using the describe method. So summary as it, you can see the mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, 22 percentile, 58 percentile, and 60 percentile using this describe method. So as we can see, the mean hours is 5 and mean score is 50.48. Moving on, then I have done some data visualization. So I have plotted this graph which contains hours studied on the x-axis and percentage score on the y. So as you can see, the relation here, you can see that clearly there's like a positive linear relation here. So as the score increases, hours increases, score increases, as you can see from this plot. Then I have prepared the data for the model. So basically x is the input to the model, or you can say that the independent variable. So that is basically the hours column. So I have used the ilog method, which is used for indexing our data set. So I have taken all the rows and only taken the hours column and the values of it. And the y is the output, basically dependent variable. And I have taken the scores column for this as an output, because we need to predict the score. Moving on, I have done some. Then we have trained the model. So in order to train the model, the first step is to split the data set in such a way that we have two sets, that is training data and testing data. So we have used this method called as train test split, and it is split in such a way that test data size is 20% of the original data, and training data contains 80%, and the random state is 0. Then I have created an instance of the linear regression model here using LM, and I have fit the model using the x and y train method for x and y train data. Then, as you know that linear regression follows the y is equal to mx plus c equation, I have used this to calculate the intercept and coefficient of the equation. So you can see the intercept here and coefficient here. Then after all this, I have plotted the regression line. So this is the regression line, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So I have plotted the scatter plot, and on top of that I have plotted the regression line. So as you can see, some points are fitting, this line is fitting some points, but there are some points which are not fitting. So that's basically the error on it. Moving on, I have made predictions using the test data. So what I have printed here is the testing data, and this is the prediction in ypred variable. So then, as you can see, there is another data frame to show the actual values and the predicted values. So as you can see, it's a little bit off here, but on the other hand, if you see here, it's pretty close, like 60 to 60. So there is some slight error in this. And so, in order to check the accuracy of our model, I have score method. So our model is like 95% accurate, which is pretty good. And then I have used the metrics in order to evaluate the model. So that is mean absolute error, mean square error, mean square error. So as you can see that the mean absolute error is 4.18, mean square error is 21.5, and root mean square error is 4.64. So basically it shows the error of the model. And then we have to, the final task is to predict the score of the student who studies for 9.25 hours a day. So for this I have taken a variable called hours and given it 9.25 value. And the first thing you have to note that we need to convert this into a NumPy array because the predict method accepts a 2D NumPy array. So we first use this val variable to convert it into a NumPy array, and we need to reshape it because we need to convert it into 2D. So what does this reshape do? This -1 means that take whatever rows that is already there as is, and this one says that we just create an extra dimension, and then we use this to predict our score, and we can see that the student who studies for 9.25 hours has scored 93.69%. And that's all for the class. Thank you for watching.